my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my TikTok feed and YouTube. And you guys will have a chance to vote which product is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you could get featured in next week's video. Now the weather is changing and it has gotten a little bit hotter, so my face kind of freaked out. I got pimples galore. I don't know what's going on. So this is it. Cleansed, ready to go, pimple medicine and all. We are going to moisturize, but I'm going to moisturize around the areas that I have my medicine on. But yeah, we're still going to do this. We're still going to make this work. Also, just want to mention, fireworks season. A lot of them going off.
Fun times.
Okay, first up, Peach and Lily Matcha Pudding Antioxidant Cream. Ooh, still got the orange on top. And I also want to mention, it is green, but it does not say anything about color correction, nothing like that. It's just a moisturizer for your skin. It's matcha color. Size of this is 0.85 ounces. Their usual size, or what it says on the website, says 0.84 ounces. It could probably be just this one. And that is $25. And the other size they have, 1.69 ounces, and that is $43. Can be found at peachandlily.com, Ulta Beauty, and Target. Expires around 12 months. It is cruelty-free, vegan, and clean. At Ulta. They also want to mention it is gluten-free.
Oh yeah.
And this is also fragrance-free. And they mention that they are worry-free as well. So after you use this, all your worries go away. Probably not really, but some people really do feel refreshed after they do their skincare. They feel 10 times better. This matcha pudding antioxidant cream drenches the skin, and I mean deep within the skin, with, of course, antioxidants. It also creates a weightless, invisible antioxidant barrier to help fight off free radical damage in all layers of the skin. This cream is formulated to work with you every day, all day. The texture of this is like one of those puddings that you eat, like chocolate pudding, something like that. Very, very light and wispy like that. And it's weightless, of course, so it's not going to feel heavy on the skin. There it is. You could definitely see the hydration in there. It leaves your skin feeling calm. And the finished look is matte. Hydrated, but matte. Excellent. Excellent.
Excellent!
So the bonus for this, because it is matte, those with oily skin will have the benefit of decreased shine. Now for those with dry skin, the cream will quench the skin's thirst for hydration and won't feel waxy, heavy, or greasy. It is, of course, for all skin types. This cream will never peel, and it primes your skin so it can be ready for your makeup. Now the first ingredient in this is, of course, the matcha, which is powder derived from green tea, hence the green.
Yeah, hence.
And of course, that is the reason why for all the antioxidants that fight the free radicals and visibly calms your skin. Along with that, it has Cape lilac extract and, of course, niacinamide, the water-soluble form of vitamin B3. Helps with the inflammation and brightens your dark spots. It also has adenosine, which occurs naturally in human cells to help energize, firm, and smooth skin surface. Also, of course, improves the fine lines and wrinkles. And last, Pathanol, which helps defend external stresses and reduces the itchiness, the redness, and the inflammation all over your body. Well, this is for your face, but if you like to use it on your body or try it on your body, I don't see why not. Maybe just on the spots that have a little bit of redness or itchiness. Sounds good to me. For the scent, the fragrance, yeah. With all the extracts in here, I would think there would be something, a little bit of something, but no, not really smelling anything. Nothing too strong. Maybe I might be smelling the container, the scent that's coming off from the container that holds the product. But no, I would say yeah, fragrance free. I'm rubbing it in now. I'm getting a little bit of the green tea smell, the matcha. Very, very faint, but I think that's what I'm getting now. It's very light. Now, there are some results for this coming from a third-party consumer study. Everything is 100% from everybody, apparently. 100%. So 100% say the skin felt revived, refreshed, and hydrated, and saw improvement in dry patches and less dullness. The moisturizer did not clog pores or have any other breakouts, and the skin felt less irritated and reactive with reduced skin sensitivity. All that, 100%. Everybody, 100%. I want to hear from you guys though. Let me know if, yeah, it is 100%. Let's go ahead and put this baby on now. And for this, we're actually going to do my whole face and get hydrated. Reason being for doing my whole face for this one is because the next one is more of a body moisturizer. We'll get to it. So when you use this guy, you could massage it in, or you could pat it in. Pat, 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 pat. Maybe a little bit with some light strokes. Any way you prefer putting on your moisturizer, that's fine. And of course, as with any moisturizer, you can use this day and night, AM to PM. Oh yeah, next product. The Osea Undaria Algae Body Butter. Oh yeah. Comes in 1.7 ounces. That would be this size. And it is $26. Then there is a 6.7 ounce size. And that is $56. This for me, this would be a good amount right here. Can be purchased at OseaMalibu.com. Of course, Ulta Beauty and Target. Now there is no expiration date on this. It just says for external use only, but it is clean, vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. Also recyclable. Just throw away the top and put this in the recycle bin. This whipped shea butter has nutrient-rich Undaria seaweed and ceramides that melt into the skin. An ultra-highlighting formula, clinically proven to last up to 72 hours. And targets all signs of aging. Now this does have a butter-rich texture, which means it is heavy. There it is. Thick, thick, thick. Like clay. Almost like clay, but still creamy enough to rub all over your body. It will transform your dry, crepey skin into a soft, supple, smooth, and firm texture. It is for all skin types, and it has bioavailable formula rich in earth and ocean essences that deliver powerful skin solutions. Now the scent for this, it hits me right away. It's not strong, but it's there. It has grapefruit, lime, cypress with mango and mandarin notes, but most of all, the lime really stands out. When I use it all over my body, I feel like I smell like carne asada tacos. You grab the lime, put it all over your tacos, and you could smell the lime. That's what it reminds me of. Then you put the salsa, of course. Avocado salsa. It's making me hungry. But yes, that's the smell that I get from it. With all that being said, it does say fragrance/perfume, But next to the perfume, it has a little asterisk next to it, and it says natural fragrance. Natural fragrance is a blend of aromatic compounds and or essential oils extracted from different parts of plants, including flowers and fruits. Good to know. So again, has Undaria seaweed that replenishes the skin's moisture barrier and keeps the skin looking healthy. Then the shea butter, which revives the dry skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and deeply moisturized. It also has dipalmitoyl hydroxyproline. This is what helps firm the look and the feel of the skin, making it supple. Then there is oat kernel extract. It moisturizes, renews, and supports the skin's own moisture barrier. And last, it has skin identical moisturizing complex. Basically, saccharide isomerate, which provides you deep hydration, making it last for a very long time, long lasting, which makes your skin look healthier. But of course, now we have some results for this from a study, of course. After one use, 100% say their skin felt softer, hydrated, and replenished. 97% said that their skin felt silky, smooth, and nourished. And of course, most importantly, relieved of dryness. 94% say their skin felt supple. Now we are moving on to 2 weeks. This time, 100% said that their skin felt silky, smooth, and nourished, and relieved of the dryness, but it also says it looked softer. And 91% said that their skin looked firmer and less crepé. Now last, we are moving on to 4 weeks. Yes, 4 weeks. 100% said their skin felt replenished, and 97% said that their skin felt supple and less crepé. Now we're going to use it on this arm, especially my elbows. My elbows always need moisturizer. Any kind of hydration helps. Yes. So you want to really massage this into your skin, whether it is day or night. It does need to be dry, and because it is so rich, thick, so rich, it says that they want you to use it by itself. Nothing else. Just this. And that's it. We are done. Now we're going to move on to the results. Okay, here we go with the results. Woo! This is for TikTok. And the winner is... boom! Peach and Lily moisturizer. Woohoo! Peach and Lily won TikTok. Oh yeah. Okay, moving on straight into YouTube. Here we go. Okay, YouTube. And we have a winner. Who it is? Who is it? Da-da-da. Who it is? And the winner. Boom! Peach and Lily again. 100%. Woohoo! No votes at all for Osea. So sorry. Maybe next time. But if you wished you had voted, or you thought that Osea will win, let me know in the comments below. I want to hear from you. Have you used this product? This is the first time I've been using Osea. It's all brand new to me. I felt like I smelled like tacos. Got me hungry. That's all I could say about it. As for Peach and Lily, congratulations, you are the winner. Woohoo! If you voted for Peach and Lily, let me know in the comments below. What did you like about it? Do you love using it? Is it amazing? Or is it not? Let me know in the comments below if you don't like it. If you feel like there are better things out there. Yeah, share. Share and tell. Down there in the comments below. And that's it. That's the end of my video. Thank you all who participated once again. Also, remember to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. Like, comment, share. Give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys all next week. Keep on loving makeup. No makeup on. Keep on loving makeup. And keep on rocking. Oh yeah. Bye.